Hello everyone, welcome back to SPECTRACS. Today we are going to solve problem 1 of chapter 4. Here in this problem, they are asking us to get a number as input from the user and check if the unit digits place is a 4 or 8, and we have to print the output accordingly. So first step is to get the number. So number equal to int input, enter the number. So after getting the number, we have to check the units place. So to check the units place, we are going to use this trick, which is the number, and when it is modulus divided by 10, and if the remainder is equal to whatever number you have to search for the units place, we can get it. So if number is modulus divided by 10 and the remainder should be 4, then we can say print the number ends with 4. Number ends with 4. Likewise for 8. So ELIF number divisible by 10 equal to 8. Print the number ends with 8. Now if it is not ending with both 4 and 8, we can use the else part. So else print the number is not ending with 4 and 8. Now let's see how this works. Let us say, let me give 2, 3 and 4, and the last digit is 4, so it should say 4 is the last digit, and which is right. Now let us see another case. Now let us see with 8. So 5, 7, 8 should be the number ends with 8. And one more last case, let us see that. Let us say we give 1, 2 and 3. Should show the number is not ending with 4 and 8.